In the fast-paced digital era, online businesses rely heavily on effective marketing strategies to reach their target audience and drive sales. One such strategy that has gained significant importance is the utilization of free traffic movement. This topic explores the significance of free traffic movement for Digistore24 marketing and its impact on the success of online businesses. Enhancing visibility and brand awareness. Free traffic movement plays a pivotal role in boosting the visibility of Digistore24 products and services. By leveraging various channels such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media platforms, content marketing, and organic search, businesses can attract relevant and interested users to their Digistore24 store. Increased visibility leads to enhanced brand awareness, making it easier for potential customers to discover and engage with the brand. Cost-effective marketing strategies. One of the key advantages, by utilizing organic methods to drive traffic, such as optimizing website content for relevant keywords or leveraging social media engagement, businesses can reduce their marketing expenses significantly. This allows Digistore24 marketers to allocate their budget to other crucial aspects of their marketing campaigns, such as product development or customer engagement. B7 yielding trust and credibility. Free traffic movement often involves providing valuable and informative content to users. By consistently delivering high-quality content through blog posts, articles, videos, or social media updates, businesses can establish themselves as industry experts and build trust among their target audience. This trust and credibility are crucial for driving conversions and cultivating long-term customer relationships on Digistore24. Generating targeted traffic. Free traffic movement enables businesses to attract highly targeted traffic to their Digistore24 store. By optimizing content for relevant keywords and understanding their target audience's preferences, businesses can attract users who are genuinely interested in their products or services. This targeted traffic has a higher likelihood of converting into customers, resulting in improved sales and revenue for Digistore24 marketers. Long-term sustainable growth. Unlike paid advertising campaigns that require continuous investment, free traffic movement can lead to long-term sustainable growth for Digistore24 businesses. By consistently optimizing their online presence, creating valuable content, and engaging with their audience, businesses can establish a strong foundation for organic traffic generation. This continuous flow of free traffic not only drives immediate sales, but also sets the stage for long-term success and business growth. Free traffic movement plays a vital role in the marketing success of Digistore24 businesses. By leveraging organic methods to attract targeted traffic, businesses can enhance visibility, establish trust, and drive sustainable growth. With its cost-effectiveness and long-term benefits, free traffic movement should be an integral part of any Digistore24 marketing strategy, allowing businesses to thrive in the competitive online marketplace. Free traffic movement often involves encouraging and leveraging user-generated content. By actively engaging with customers through reviews, testimonials, social media mentions, and user-generated videos or images, businesses can harness the power of word-of-mouth marketing. User-generated content not only increases brand authenticity, but also attracts new customers who trust the opinions and experiences of their peers. Expanding reach and targeting niche markets. Free traffic movement allows businesses to expand their reach and target specific niche markets. Through content optimization and strategic targeting, Digistore24 marketers can attract users who have a particular interest or need for their products or services. By catering to these niche markets, businesses can establish themselves as industry leaders and gain a competitive advantage. Establishing thought leadership. By consistently sharing valuable insights, industry trends, and expert knowledge through content marketing, businesses can establish themselves as thought leaders in their respective niches. This thought leadership not only attracts a loyal audience, but also opens up opportunities for partnerships, collaborations, and guest blogging, further expanding the reach and influence of the Digistore24 brand. Maximizing SEO potential. free traffic movement heavily relies on optimizing content for search engines. By implementing effective SEO strategies, such as keyword research, on-page optimization, and link building, businesses can improve their organic search rankings. Higher search engine rankings result in increased organic traffic, making it easier for potential customers to discover and engage with Digistore24 products or services.